Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to arrange your videos, your clips in playlists using vMix. Now if you have multiple videos that you want to play to your audience, or you want to play to your church, or a past program that you want to play for your church members to watch, or you have a past event that you want to play for your audience, wherever you are, and you want them to see that particular clips, and there are multiple of them, and you want to arrange them in a playlist using vMix, let me show you how you can be able to do that. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, or you haven't subscribed, smash that red subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I drop new videos or your requests here on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, please smash the like button so the YouTube algorithm can also recommend this video to other people that are searching for topic like this or similar topic, and also would want to learn how to use their vMix software and arrange their video in playlist. And without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Now you can see I have multiple clips here. I already programmed multiple videos. I have here these are short clips, but you can also do it with full clips as well. You can see, so I have multiple videos already programmed down here. Now if you want to arrange all of them in one and play them one after the other, even if you're not there, the video will simultaneously change itself from the first to the second, from second to third, from third to last, depending on how you arrange them on your playlist. Now most of you must have come across this button on vMix here. It's called the playlist, and this is the button that you can actually use to arrange your videos in form of playlist. Now let me show you how to do that. Now if you want to arrange your video clips in playlist on vMix, all you have to do is to click on this setting sign beside the playlist button. You say configure, you see. So if you hover around it, I just wanted to show you, say configure a playlist of inputs. Now you're going to configure a playlist of list of input videos that you've added on vMix. Just click on the setting there, okay, beside the playlist. Now once you've clicked on that, it will show you a list of inputs that you have on your vMix software. Now what if you have videos, if you have lower third, it will show you all the inputs that you currently have on your vMix software. Now it's just left for you to select the video, the ones that are on MP4, you can see them there, the ones that are on MP4 format that you want to arrange in form of playlist. So whichever one you want to do, you want to arrange in form of a playlist, just click on it and click this arrow sign here to bring it inside the playlist. You see this arrow sign, the first arrow sign here, to bring it inside the playlist. And if you want to remove it, click on that same video inside the playlist and click on this arrow sign out to take it out of the playlist. You see, click the arrow sign in to bring it inside the playlist, see, and then select the same video again inside the playlist and click the arrow sign out to take it out of the playlist. Now you can arrange the videos. Okay, this is the first one, see the second one, see the third one. Arrange it the way you want it to be, and if you want to rearrange it, just select on any one you want to push front, you want to push it to the top, or you want to push it to the bottom. All you have to do just to use this, you see this up and down button here, just use it. You can move your video, just select any video that you want to move all the way to the top, or you want to move it all the way to the bottom. Once you've selected that video, click on this arrow up and down here. And if you also want to loop your video, you can see the loop button there, that will help to loop your video. It means that once it has played finish from the first to the last, the video will repeat itself again. Okay, so even if you're not around, you're not there currently on the system to change it, it will repeat itself again, to keep repeating itself. Once it has played from the first one to the last one, it will repeat again all the way to the first and then the last again till you come and you were able to change it. Okay, so any video that you want to program, you don't want the video to start from the beginning, you want the video to start from a specific time, double click on the video inside the playlist. Okay, so whichever one you want to do like that, double click on it and you see the starting position there on the screen. Now make sure this starting position is ticked on, and you can set the timer that you want it to start on, and then where you want it to end, you can also set that on the duration. Okay, so on the duration is where you set where you want the video to end, while the starting position is where you set where you want the video to start. If you don't want the video to play all the way to the end, you want to cut it short at a specific time, you can also use the duration there to end it at that particular point where you want it to end. Just put those numbers. Okay, so put those numbers, and if you're having issue finding those numbers, it's actually very simple. I'm just going to cancel this, go ahead and look at this vMix here. You can see the timer there is showing you, you see, it's showing you this, the one at the middle is showing you the end of the clip. Okay, the time where the clip ends, and you can see here this is the current position where the clip is. You can just pause it, just find the number that you want to work with. Okay, so now once you find that specific number or the specific timer where you want to start it, maybe 000033 seconds, and you want to end it on 000113 seconds, it's actually very simple. Click on the playlist setting button again, and inside the playlist double click on that particular video and key in that timer. See 00, okay, 00 here again, 33 seconds, which is the beginning, and 00 here again, 01 and 13 seconds, which is the end. And on the transition here, you can just leave it as fade, zoom, or leave it as default. And the transition duration, make sure you put it on 500 milliseconds. Leave it on 500 milliseconds and leave the display type as normal. Click on OK. Okay, and once you click on OK, start. See, so this clip now is going to start from that specific point. Now if you want to move to the next one, maybe you no longer want to play the first one, you want to move to the next one, you can click on this next here, and you can see there the video started from that specific time where we set it, 000033 seconds, and it's going to end in 000113 seconds. Okay, and this is how to set it. Now remember, if you've looped your video on vMix, let me just close this. You see I looped all the video here. If you loop all your video on vMix, it's going to affect your playlist. It means that any of the video that you've added on the playlist that you've looked on the vMix input, if you finish playing, it's going to repeat itself. Okay, so it's not going to change to the next one on the playlist because you've already looped it on the vMix input. You see the loop button there, so make sure that the videos that you've arranged in your playlist are not on loop inside the vMix input. Okay, so make sure they're not on loop. Now the only place you should loop it should be inside the playlist. It means it will play from the beginning to the end and repeat itself again. But if you loop it on the vMix input, it means that it will not change. The video itself will keep on playing, will keep on repeating itself, 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 and will not change to the next video, just as you've arranged it on your playlist. Now if you want to begin from a specific video, I'm just going to stop it. If you want to begin from a specific video, you don't want to start from the beginning, maybe you've played the first and the second and you want to start from the third one, just click on that particular video and tick this begin from selected item. Okay, so tick this begin from selected item there, and you see, and that will tick this the particular video that you've selected. And also create multiple playlists on vMix. Okay, so in case you want to do that, all you have to do is to click on this new playlist there, click on that button, and you can name your playlist whichever you want it to be. Let's just name it X here. Okay, so I just click on OK. You can copy current video or playlist to that particular one if you don't want. You see, so that is it here. So one is default and the other one is X, so you can create multiple of them and add different videos to them as well. Okay, so whichever one you want to play, if you want to play this one today, play this one the next day, play this one the other day, so you can just arrange them yourself how you want it to be. Okay, I don't play with the manual mode. Okay, so I actually leave it the way it is, and I urge you to leave it the way it is. And the clay overlays, you should also leave it the way it is. Just work with this begin from selected items and also the loop button right there, and you have your stats there. Okay, so you can put it in the start, you can put it, I'm just going to start it, you can put the next or the previous, so whichever one you want to switch to, you can also do that as well. Okay, and that is all on the vMix playlist. In case there's any part you don't understand, just write to me in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to also explain that further again, just for you to understand. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please smash that red subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can also notify you whenever I drop new videos. Remember, don't loop your video on the vMix input. Okay, so the only place you should loop your video should be on the playlist, and you can load as many videos as you want to. Okay, so there's no limit to any amount of video you want to. Okay, so you can just load as many videos as you want to. And remember to, you can always choose your, I'm just going to stop it, you can always choose your effects, your transition for each of the videos. You can put it on zoom, just choose different effect for all of them, and it'll just be coming in even when you are not there, like that. Okay, so it will just be coming in like that even when you're not there to control it, and when you're back you can actually do the change to your live video or whichever one you want to change to. And one important thing, just a bonus tip, remember to always lock your vMix inputs. Okay, so remember to always lock it so that nobody will tamper with it even when you're not around. They won't be able to close your video. Okay, so when you are not there, someone might just enter and then decide to maybe play around with it, and he will close some of the video that you've already added on the playlist. So remember to always lock your vMix input.